What's going on, guys? So today I have a different video. I want to show you a trade which I'm currently in. So I'll first explain it, then show you on my phone how the trade looks like. So I'll first explain how I entered the trade, then show you on the phone. So stay around. If you are new here, guys, talk about institutional order flow, talk about order blocks, market structure, beat the market maker method. So if this is something you're looking forward to learn or explore, this is the channel. Hit that subscribe button and be sure to join the squad. So from this trade, so this is V25-1S. So we started from the H1 time frame. So we are intraday traders. So what you can see from this chart is we took out this break of structure with this aggressive move as price was moving down. So that's where we marked this order block. So we just marked this order block. Why? Because this is a break of structure, then price is moving back, consolidating back to the order block, and you see what happens when price got to that order block. So this is a consolidation back to the order block. 1 2 3 touches, and I know you know about these things. Then after this we see this blue candle into the order block, then the confirmation candle which is red, and it's also a pin. So it's a confirmation candle, order block confirmation, and also a pattern or a candlestick pattern confirmation for our trade. So this is our entry on H1. So if you go back to M15 first, you see that we have this kind of a pattern, but this is not clear. So if you go to M5, you see that we have price going in on the going in the order block right here, then taking out these structures, you see. So as price took out this structure, we see price coming back and retesting this structure. So this can be called a mitigation block or a break and retest, depends on you. So this is what we had, and this is this was our entry, and this is how it's currently moving. And from the looks of it, we will be targeting this area right here. We will be targeting this area. So these are equal lows. So I am looking for price to make its way down to this area, and for today I'm also looking for other trades which you can take advantage for the day. And I don't know what time you are seeing this video, but this is 29 June in the morning, 7:46. So I'm also looking at these ones. So on this one, I'm looking for price to take out this low first, then come back and retest this one, this order block, something like this. I'm looking at something like this for the day. Then we go to V25. This one is not clear, but I would want to see price getting back here and go up, because it looks like we are in a consolidation phase here. We are more like consolidating. This is what I'm seeing. Then on V75, I'm looking for this scenario, and I'll see how it moves on step index. Yeah, so on step index, we are looking at price coming back to this golden zone here and moving up. On V100, we are looking at price getting back to this area. So this is our order block. We wanted it to come all the way here, but as you can see, it took out the structure, and we are looking at this area. And on boom 500, we are looking at this scenario, and you can also see that we have something interesting here, so you can be taking trades there. Then this one, we're looking at price getting back here, but as you can see, price missed our golden zone, and it went up, shot up. So this one is a good sell as it looks, and this structure on M5 is not good. So I would be looking at price taking out this first and maybe retracing back to this point, and I would want to take my sell around this area. V25S. Yeah, so this is the trade we are currently riding. We'll see how it goes. Okay guys, hours later we are here, and this is how our trade went. And this, as you can see, in the morning I was trying to get your attention to these lows, and as you can see, our take profit was hit, and this was how this trade went. And yeah, that was it guys, that was it. And as you can see, it's still going down, still going down, still going down, and there was more opportunities to add to your trades, as the trade was going.
Make sure. Yeah, we call it a straight finesse. Why bad? How far? Itandidi kunzindirishasha ukazvikudza wakuva pasha chiterera nenyasha tarisiza.
I want to show you the trade we are currently riding. So I'm on my phone right now, and I would want to show you the V25S trade. So first of all guys, for risk management purposes, as you know, we don't have a forex calculator for these Deriv indices, so you would want to use your computer as the calculator and install your demo account on your computer and your real account on your phone, so that you measure the risk first before you enter. So I'm just going to show you in this chart. So this is the V25S trade we are currently in, and as I explained on the laptop or on my PC, we have a price going down, and I just explained how we entered this trade, and this is the trade and how it looks like. And as you can see, we are targeting these lows right here, these lows. So we want to see price getting those lows. So as you can see, this is a real account, my second account, and I won't show you the money side. You just see that the trade is in profit, and this is what is currently happening. And if you go to H1, you will see that we have this beautiful area which we used to enter our trade. So this is our order block. This is our order block. Most of you guys in the comments, you say I only use, what do you say, I only use past data, I only explain my concept in hindsight. And this is more like proof, and this is more like how I trade. So this is a live trade on a live account, and you explaining the concepts I'm telling you about, and looking at this, so those who are doubting, this is how it is done live. So this is how the H4 looks like. So from the looks of things, the H4, we're kind of having what we call rejection blocks in this area. So these are rejection blocks. So an order block on H1, and it looks like a rejection block on what, on H4. And on D1, let's see how price is moving. And on D1, wow, this is very good, and this is very nice. As you can see, we can draw our trend line in this area, and this might look like a break and retest or something of that sort. So we'll be looking at price making its way down. So this is a look at price and how price is moving down. So yeah, H4 looks good, H1 looks good, M30 looks awesome, M15. So we will just hold and see how price moves from here and see how things go. So that's our target, and we are going, and as you can see, we are already break even, and we are looking at this trade going down. I hope this was helpful guys. Thank you.